Switching gears now to education, the first full week in the new year means a majority of our area's kiddos are headed back to the classroom, and that includes Charlotte-Mecklenburg students. Health officials say with COVID-19 cases expected to go up after the New Year holiday, precautions in the classroom will be crucial. As CMS students head back to the classroom after winter break,
there are no plans at this point to delay the start of school.
Former Mecklenburg County Health Director Gibbie said last week the new year won't mean a big change in precautions. Students and staff will still need to be masked in school regardless of vaccination status.
Nobody likes wearing a mask, but we do know that that's effective in helping prevent the spread of this virus.
With the rapid spread of Omicron, health officials continue to beg parents and teachers, if you or your child feel sick, stay home.
If you are ill and you have symptoms that you think may be related to COVID or that you've been exposed to somebody with COVID, please try to get tested.
Sunday night, CMS echoing that message in a call home to parents.
Please keep your children home if they are ill and consider getting them tested.
Just days before the restart of school, North Carolina also changed its Strong Schools toolkit. The biggest change, when students and staff can come back to the classroom if they get COVID-19. The toolkit now falling in line with the most recent CDC guidance. Anyone who tests positive but does not have symptoms can return to the classroom in 5 days, with 5 additional days of strict mask use.
That's one of the major things that our parents can do and our teachers can do to support us keeping people in the school system.
But the best defense, a vaccine for those who are eligible.
It's safe, it's effective, you need to get vaccinated.
They just can't say that enough. According to the most recent data from the state's health department, 20% of kids ages 5 to 11 are at least partially vaccinated. And get this, 46% of 12 to 17-year-olds have gotten at least one shot. Students in Union County will be returning to school on Monday, and the school district is wanting to let parents and teachers know about the new updates to the NC Strong Schools toolkit for students and staff. We just noted one of those changes, but a few more are still in that new toolkit. School officials say staff and students who have symptoms, regardless of vaccination status, should get tested and isolate from others while waiting for a result. Staff and students who test positive regardless of vaccination status and do not have symptoms should isolate from others for 5 days, then wear a mask for 5 additional days. Again, these are just some of the updates. You can see a full list at WCNC.com.